dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do some quick and easy tidying up here in my bedroom as well as my restroom. I'm going to be upgrading our shower head for something way much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this brings you guys some motivation if you guys are in need for that. And let's go ahead and clean together.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Okay, so now moving on to the bathroom. Here is a shower head that I'm going to be upgrading. So as you can tell, it has this big square one, so it's like more like a rain shower fall. And of course I have to have my handheld one as well because I just love the different settings. And plus, when your body is like super sore, you definitely need to put it on that deep one, so it gives you that really nice relaxing massage part. Plus it works even great to rinse off our shower once I wash it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and share with everything that is in this box today. So you guys saw it has two shower heads and then this metal pole here where the square rainfall head shower head part would actually hang from. And then it's just, I picked the matte black. They have in 3 different colors, like the chrome and the bronze as well, if you guys are not into the matte black. I think it's really cool. I like it. Plus I'm thinking about slowly starting to switch out like all of our hand faucet and stuff like that here in the bathroom to a matte black. Plus I have like a matte black wall, so I think it just fits perfectly fine. And then of course for your handheld shower head, of course you need like that hose thing. So this is actually like a more plastic material, not like a metal, but still like a very sturdy one. And then it has this stick part area which actually goes connected to this one that I'm taking out here in the bag. So it gives you the option either to stick it to what your surface is, or if it's like a wall, you could go ahead and screw it on together. But this is actually like to hold the handheld part, and then it does adjust like down to wherever you want it to face. So if you don't want to use like the rainfall shower head, you could use the handheld one and it still like sticks on the wall. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and continue opening more pieces that are here. I'm gonna be honest, I've never changed out a shower head like in my life. So I'm going to try and do this all on my own, although you guys will probably see me further up talking to somebody, of course, while I was doing it. My husband stops in. But here you can see it just has like all of the pieces and like little washers. If I'm not wrong, that's how you pronounce like those little black things. And then it has like the tip flown, and then like all the tools that you need. Like you don't have to go out and look in your garage or toolbox or anywhere because like everything comes with it. But anyways, this is what our shower head looks like now. So you can see it's very outdated. This one I believe is like from Walmart like years back. It wasn't even squirting out water correctly the way it was. But we're gonna go ahead and start the process of connecting all of the pieces to our new shower head.
The end of time, 'cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise.
So one thing I do want to admit, the instructions might look kind of confusing, but I was so glad that I was able to follow them step by step. So although they probably look kind of confusing and like not right, I definitely used the manual to actually install this, so it definitely is easy to read out. So when you first glance at it, like I mentioned, it looks like if it's not going to be any help, but it actually is. But here you can see how you're going to switch off from the rain shower fall to the handheld one. But we're going to go ahead and continue putting this all together. But while I'm installing it, I just want to let you guys know that if you guys are interested in this product, go ahead and check out my description box. I will have it linked down below. And I just want to say a quick thank you to the company irmaguzmanyt for sponsoring today's video.
Now, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise, paradise. Oh, bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
So if you guys are wondering like what am I trying to talk and do here, is I'm actually trying to tell my husband to let me know when the shower head is like at a level and it's not like too slanted up or too slanted down. So I'm just trying to get it like leveled up by eyeballing it using my husband, and then of course like just readjusting it after I tighten like the pull part. So that's what I'm gonna do. But now we're gonna go ahead and start connecting up the water hose part that goes to my handheld part. And of course I did put like those little metal mesh thingies that they have inside that like kind of like filters the water before it hits like your shower head. So it does have one for this handheld one and one for the rainfall one. Of course you didn't see it in this one because I actually forgot to put it in there, but then I remembered and I took it apart and I put it back inside there. But yeah, it's very easy to put. But like I mentioned, the sticky part here, you could just apply it to any piece. Mine is like a plastic, I don't know what kind of shower walls it has here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this on, and it has been sticking on like really good. Like you can even adjust the shower head, like the handheld part, and it has not unsticked or anything, and it's already been on there for a couple of days. So I'm very satisfied that that part hasn't like fell off or something, because I definitely won't know what I'm gonna do if it did fall off, because like it has this piece that's supposed to hold it together, and if it falls, then where am I supposed to hang my handheld shower part? Am I like, I'm not gonna leave it hanging. But anyways, this is how the rain shower part feels. Honestly, it feels just like if you're standing out in the rain. Just feels so amazing. Just the only upgrade part is that you're not standing out like in cold water, if not the warm water, but it's exactly like standing out in the rain. And then of course the handheld part has so many different ways that it sprays out, so it's like a variety of selections depending on your mood for the shower. But once again, everything will be linked in the description box for you guys. After I'm done here, I do have to like rinse out our shower and finish tidying up our bathroom. So let's go ahead and continue with the cleaning part.
Can break me. Yeah. Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
So now all is left is to just spray my room with my DIY air freshener, which is actually just a spray bottle with some water and a couple of laundry boosters in there. It gives a great scent. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.